Okay, today we're going to talk about the derivative techniques, okay? So the best way to be good at like this kind of problem is the practice. So not only this problem set, but also you have to try to find more problem and more practice, okay? And then you will be the expert for this part, okay? Here we go. So first of all, like this is like simple polynomial, then like we're going to use the power rule, okay? Let me give you the power rule on the side first, okay? So whenever you have power function, n could be any number, okay? Then x to the n prime is equal to n times x to the n minus 1. That's really simple, right? Your power raised down in front of your function, and your power will be subtracted by 1, okay? This is basic rule, like named power rule, okay? So let me try to apply this one to this problem, okay? Here we go. So, f prime. Well, for the practice, we have to know the Leibniz form as well. Leibniz form is fraction form of the like at f prime, okay? So like the benefit of this one is what? Like, you know, we can easily find f is your dependent variable and x is independent variable. Is it okay? So like, you know, for like if your independent variable is not x but the other thing, then this is useful, okay? Or like for like multivariable function, this is much useful, okay? So what is f prime? By the power rule, it is 7/4. Then this is coefficient, so we are not going to do anything. But we're going to take care x to the 4 only, okay? X to the 4 prime is 4 times x to the like 4 minus 1, okay? And the second one, -3 is coefficient, and we are not going to do anything. But x squared prime is 2x to the 2 minus 1, okay? And don't forget this, okay? Constant prime is no matter what equal to 0, okay? So 12 prime equal to 0. That's it, okay? So we have to simplify this guy. It is equal to 7x cubed minus 6x. That's it. This is f prime, okay? What about b? So for this case, your dependent variable is h, but your independent variable is u, right? So like we can write h prime u, or in our Leibniz form, we can write dh over du instead, okay? So even like you have like different independent variable, doesn't matter. It's same rule, okay? Well, but like to do this one, well, I assume you learned everything. I'm talking about product rule, quotient rule, and chain rule, everything, okay? But like for this case, like direct derivative is much easier than product, okay? So like let me do the like distribution first, okay? Let's do the like FOIL. Then this guy is equal to 3u squared, and then plus 15u and minus u, which is plus 14u and minus 5, okay? And then like we can apply the like direct derivative rule, okay? So here we go. H prime is 3 times u squared prime, which is 2 times u 2 minus 1. Again, coefficient is just coefficient, okay? Don't do anything. Just take care of the function part, okay? And 14u is 14, and u prime is equal to 1. Is that okay? So like, you can just simply remember, like if it is a first degree function, then just coefficient is the derivative of your function, okay? And -5 prime equals 0. That's it, okay? So like when you simplify this guy, it is 6u plus 14. That's it. It's quite simple, right? But keep that in mind. Practice is the best way, like for this kind of problem, okay?